Resource pool is a means to handle resources working on multiple projects. Typically, in a company, several projects will be in operation at a given time. Sometimes the same resources work on more than one project. The project manager does not need to recreate the same resources for every project file and can create a resource pool for these resources. All projects linked to the resource pool are called sharer projects. If the project manager changes the cost or working time for resources in the resource pool, this information gets updated in all the projects linked to the resource pool. To view availability of resources that have been assigned to multiple projects, the project manager must ensure that their names have been entered in the resource pool. If the project manager is working with other project users across a network, the resource pool can be stored at a central location, such as a network server, and the project managers can share the common resource pool. In the subsequent slide, we will learn to create a shared resource pool. Creating a resource pool is almost identical to creating a regular project file. The project manager can create a new blank project by selecting Blank Project in the File tab of Microsoft Project 2013. Resources can be added through the resource sheet, just like it is done for a normal project. The steps to create a resource pool are shown here. In the resource sheet, the project manager can add resources and resource information such as cost, availability, overtime, etc. The project manager needs to ensure that the file is saved after creating the resources, but before creating any tasks. The resource pool is thus created. Resource information can be imported from Microsoft Outlook, Active Directory, or a HR database. Resources can also be copied from a project file and pasted into the resource pool. Once created, the resource pool can be opened as a read-only file if the project manager wants to view resource information, yet allow others to make changes to the pool. The resource pool can also be opened with a read-write file if the project manager wants to update resource data. The change will be reflected in other projects. Let us learn to create a shared resource pool through a demo in the next slide.